After getting a little loose and fancy with my bulk, I wanted to tighten things up, but also continue to make strength and performance gains. So I decided to turn back to the basics. I'm talking really basic. Some might call it the Hollywood diet, others the 90s bodybuilding diet, and some might consider it the diet that started it all in the fitness industry. I'm talking chicken, rice, and broccoli. And that's all I was planning to eat for an entire week. Now, while 1 week might not seem long, it actually made a drastic difference on my body, and not all of it was good. This is what happened, but you gotta focus. On day 1, I started this diet around lunchtime. I just didn't feel like having chicken, rice, broccoli for breakfast. This was actually probably my first mistake, because now I had to get in several meals of this ultra bland combination. Anyways, I started with just a plain chicken breast that I scored with a knife and then seasoned with just salt. That's it. Then I put that puppy in the oven at 375 for about 30 minutes. I wanted to make sure it was done. Now for my broccoli, all I had at the time was back of the freezer broccoli.
Frozen.
So I was gonna boil that, and then I had some leftover rice. Perfect. Honestly, it actually looks pretty good. I don't know why I was being such a baby about it. Probably because I knew this was only the beginning. Anyways, now if you look at the macros of this meal, you can kind of see how the magic will work. We have a good amount of carbs, a good amount of protein, and very low fat. And must I say, a pretty good sized meal, only adding to about 600 calories? These factors combined with the blandness of this meal, well, I felt like it was going to be very difficult to even just get enough calories to stick with my goal.
That about does it. Alright. It's gonna be a long week.
Well, I don't know about this. Shortly after that first meal, I had to make a pit stop at the store because I needed to stock up on supplies for this escapade. Now this time I decided to go with the bagged fresh broccoli.
Don't see any bugs in
which
there.
was the beginning of my nightmare. I just didn't know it yet.
Look at all that fancy stuff you got there. That's mine right there.
Now to change up the texture and keep the macros the same, I actually went with ground chicken breast. This was actually a very good call and made it a lot easier to get down later, as you'll see. Now I've been cooking rice this new way because apparently rice might have a higher amount of arsenic in it than you'd want, and especially if you're eating a lot of rice, this might not be what you want. So with this new method of cooking rice, I basically measure out my desired amount, in this case is 2 full cups, then I rinse it until the water runs clear, then I add it to boiling water, bring it to a boil for about 5 minutes or so, then I strain that, and I'll even rinse it again, and I think that whole part is supposed to remove up to like 50% of the arsenic or whatever. But yeah, it's not done cooking, so I'll add it back to the pot, then I'll add about as much water as rice, which is about 2 more cups of water, bring that to a boil, then put it on simmer and cover it for about 20 minutes. It's so much more time consuming and messy than the old way I used to cook rice, but I mean, the more you read sometimes, right? Anyways, it is pretty good when it is done, but yeah, that's how I've been cooking my rice. So other than that, I grounded up the chicken, and then I roasted the broccoli this time, getting fancy.
Broccoli's actually the best part. Probably because I put a little olive oil on it. I'm sorry, that might be how I'm doing the broccoli from now on. It just is what it is.
Now, even with the little bit of olive oil I did put on the broccoli to roast it, this meal only totaled 9 grams of fat. And I only had 1 more of these meals before the night was over. And looking at my total daily macros, I realized my total calories were actually a lot lower than I wanted. But I just felt full and like I didn't want to eat anymore. I thought maybe I would make up for this major deficit on day 2, but come day 2, I wasn't even hungry. Now maybe this partially had to do with coming off of somewhat of an aggressive bulk, but I also really just think this had to do with the blandness of the chicken rice broccoli. I just didn't feel like eating it, and because that's all I was allowing myself to eat, I just felt like I'd rather not eat, and in fact I felt like I'd perform better on an empty stomach. So that's what I did. And as a matter of fact, the workout actually did go pretty well. I actually thought I was already looking leaner. Now by the end of the workout, I still wasn't hungry, but it was getting late and I had to get these calories in. Like, what am I doing? Like, it was time to stop procrastinating, bro. Food is fuel, you know what I'm saying? So I grounded up a whole pound of this chicken breast, then I just threw some broccoli in with it to like steam it, and I poured this over a cold bed of white rice leftovers and took her down. Okay, so I actually only ate about half of this ground chicken for this first meal here, but then about an hour later, I added the remaining half pound to another cold bed of white rice and 1 piece of broccoli. Gotta be honest, things were tasty tasting pretty bland at this point, but that's okay because I had a secret plan up my sleeve. You see, that broccoli was just really getting hard to eat. It's like it wasn't tasting right all of a sudden. But in order to do so without breaking the rules too much, I started with a little seasoning. Then I minced up some broccoli. Then I added the ground chicken breast, mixed it all together, chicken breast, broccoli patties. Put it in the oven for about 25 minutes, and voila. Virtually the same macros, but way more palatable. More tender, better texture, and just a little bit more fun to eat, at least for me right now. Oh, and I also made brown rice, too. Fancy. Now I ended up taking down a total of 3/4 pound chicken breast in the form of these patties and about 4 cups of brown rice cooked. Now I felt like I had consumed a good amount of volume of food, but looking at my calories, I was just only slightly above 2,000. But now looking at my macros, my protein was well over 200, my carbs were relatively high, so what was going on? Well, it was the fats. My fat consumption was super low, which is another huge reason that this diet is so hard to eat just a lot of. But I'm not trying to shrivel up and blow away in the wind, I'm just trying to lean out a little bit. I still want to keep, if not make gains with this diet. So what do the bodybuilders do with this? Well, they eat more consistently. They eat more of these meals. Why does leftover chicken always smell like a fart? Anyways, on day 3, that was my plan, to eat more consistently. So I had a leftover patty and about 2 servings of brown rice for breakfast, first thing in the morning. About 3 hours later, I made some more white rice, some more chicken patties with the broccoli inside. Took 2 of these down with about 2 cups of rice cooked, and then about 3 hours later, I took another 2 down with another 2 cups of rice cooked. Bam, 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 bam. But then after this is where it hit the fan. It stinks so bad. You see, I was trying to roast up some more broccoli for my next meal, and I noticed this broccoli stank.
It was alright.
Like bad. But I still roasted it up anyways, cause you know, we had to get it down. Still stunk after I roasted it, should have been a sign. But the taste was meh. So my technique was just to take it down quick, and then enjoy my chicken patties and rice afterwards. And after doing this, I just kind of started feeling a little off. But I was feeling good about getting my calories up this day. Now that off feeling progressed throughout the night, and by the next morning, I was feeling really off. I just felt so bloated and uncomfortable in the stomach, like it was awful. Even just sitting down was like, just ick. Luckily, however, a couple hours into the day, I did have some relief. Feeling a little better. My best guess is I think there's something that's been wrong with the broccoli. But I just still didn't feel the best. It's not funny. And I especially didn't feel like eating any chicken, rice, or broccoli. So I didn't. Now, after a fasted cardio-based workout and a trampoline session, I kind of worked up a little bit of hunger, but I remembered it wasn't about being hungry, it was about being consistent. So I smacked myself in the head and said, let's just get it done. So I kind of ran out of chicken and broccoli, but I managed to whip this up because I picked some chicken breast out of my wife's leftovers here. There might be some spinach that got taken with it. I did my best. What are you, the cops? Come on. And then for the broccoli, I actually found some more of that back of the freezer broccoli that I boiled. And then I had rice still. But yeah, I need to go to the store, get some more. I think I'm gonna buy some more ground chicken and do some more of those chicken patties. Try some of that back of the freezer broccoli. Oh man. I don't know why this is like the broccoli. Something's wrong with the broccoli. Am I being a baby? Like, what the heck is wrong with broccoli right now? Like, it's just like, I don't remember this experiment being like this last time. Dude, something is wrong with the broccoli, I swear. I don't know, man. Okay, I know I'm acting like a sissy, but has there been something wrong with the broccoli recently? Like, seriously. I'm not just talking me, I'm talking about even before this experiment, I noticed the broccoli at the store, it just never looked good. What's going on? However, I must have been at the peak of this bad broccoli streak because when I did go to the store to stock up, the fresh broccoli actually looked super fresh. And it didn't stink. It didn't stink, so I bought 4 of these bad boys. I should not be down here. Everything I'm looking at, like, just looks insanely good. I'm feeding my eyes, man. I'm feeding my eyes. Like, just, I want to, like, eat. You know what I'm saying? But no, what we got is this. Maybe I'm going to throw that in there. And those are not mine. That's not mine. No, the coffee's mine. I feel like that's one thing to note. Before I started this experiment, I was kind of getting desensitized with all types of food. Probably partly because I was bulking, eating in a calorie surplus, but also because I was just eating a variety of stuff. And you know, starting to push the limits on the sugar and flavored stuff. But by eating chicken, rice, and broccoli being such bland food for the past couple of days, I feel like my taste buds were re-sensitizing. And just looking at the simple stuff that I would have been like meh before, seemed like it would taste so good in the moment. Now with that being said, full disclosure, I did try to spice up the chicken patties by adding chopped up onions to them. And probably with my taste buds being resensitized, this texture to the chicken patties was like a game changer. But most importantly, this new fresh batch of broccoli that I got roasted up great and it didn't stink. In fact, it was delicious.
We figured it out. There was something wrong with that broccoli before. It was so much better.
So it was smooth sailing from here, at least stomach-wise. However, with all the issues I had earlier on, starting eating later, I only got 3 plates of this down total for the day, and my total daily calories was once again under 2,000. Now the next day during my workout, I noticed while I didn't feel the most energized, I felt like I looked a lot leaner than I typically had over the last couple of weeks. Now when it came to eating this day, once again, even with the good broccoli and even with putting a little olive oil on my food to help get it down, I still struggled to get over 2,000 calories. Like, it was a chore. And even when I did, you have to consider my estimated daily expenditure is around 3,000, so I was still in a significant deficit. So now then, what did this work week of only chicken, rice, and broccoli yield when it comes to my physique? So not only did the scale show a difference, but in my opinion, you can clearly see a difference in my physique, even in the relaxed view. I feel like I look tighter from the side and definitely the back. And that's in only 5 days. You can see how eating such a bland diet could work. Now with that being said, when I finally tried some other food, holy moly, my taste buds lit up. Things were tasting so much better than I remembered before. It's crazy, at least for me, just how quickly taste buds can resensitize, and is a good reminder to me to maybe simplify things up once in a while. With that being said, stay tuned for next week's video because we take this to the complete other side when I try to drink a gallon of eggnog a day. Holy moly, it's gonna be pain. Hope you all have a great day. Peace. I'll see you all in the next video.